how you can go and get all the Dragon Ball crossover Fortnite, to get this awesome Shenron glider, how you can get this emote to charging up. Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to the tutorial for how you can go and get all the Dragon Ball crossover Fortnite, to get this awesome Shenron glider, how you can get this emote to charging up. I show you what you need to do and how you can go and get them. So first of all, when you're in the menu tab of Fortnite, you just go on this little Dragon Ball on the top menu here, and you can see everything. That's a much. You can see when the events is ending, the Dragon Ball power-up, unleashed, crossover event, and on the bottom you can see it says 10M, 20M, I think it's million. It stands for power, and with every power-up you get these emoticons, or you get, on the end, you get the charging up. So for sure you want the 120 million charging up. Also in this Dragon Ball collaboration battle pass, it's 5 level ups for your battle pass you can find on the top here. So if you bought this, it's go and level up the battle pass. On the top right here you can find 7 Dragon Balls you need to collect to go and get this epic glider from in Shenron. So how to go and get all these? For that, go and collect the glider. You need 7 Dragon Balls. So let's go and read what's going on here. Complete quests to increase your power level and earn Dragon Balls to unlock various in-game rewards. That's a power up on the bottom here. You need 120 million. Collect all 7 Dragon Balls to unlock the Shenron glider. That's on the top right here. All power unleash rewards can be obtained without purchase. So you just need to complete all these to get these. So how to do this? You click on view quests, and this has now its own Dragon Ball tab here. To complete and get the Dragon Balls, the 7 Dragon Balls, you need to go and complete 3 quests to get 1 Dragon Ball. So you need to complete 3 of these in the warm-up section here to get 1 Dragon Ball. And it's going so on, like the sparring practice, complete 3 quests, you get another Dragon Ball, and so on. So just click on something and you can mark it, like on here, that there you need to go, just visit the location. You just finished another quest, also get the 3 million powers, and 1 more quest finish for the Dragon Ball. So that's how you can collect the power, and also can collect the Dragon Balls. So yeah, when you got that, this will level up here. You get all these, and all these Dragon Balls will level up, and you get the glider. So yeah, this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you enjoyed it, please like the video, comment down below if I should go make some more tutorials or videos about Fortnite or anything else. Just let me know. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to support me, and I see you next time. Bye bye.